Hello, hello. Tomorrow is a full moon. Yesterday there was yesterday we were on Agong. Today we're going to Lahangan Suite. Our friends arrived from Bukit. When they stayed in Lahangan Suite, we decided that this time we will go together. We will take some grill and some meat and veggies, and so yeah, we will stay one night there all together. And it's a full moon coming, so it's gonna be pretty spectacular view. Lahangan Suite again, today in a bigger group. Everybody's trying to find which tent is theirs. We have one for 6 people, then there are for two persons, then we have for 3 people or 6, I don't know. And then yeah, so and Luca will stay in a hammock because he has a personal hammock. He always stays in a hammock. This is our grill. So this time we're going to have some meat as well. Not eating only some bread and nothing else. Laura prepared chicken, and Tim, he prepared what, pork? Pork, yes. Pork, yeah. So we have pork, we have chicken, and we have Luca gonna eat fish because he's not eating meat. The fish we will wrap in the foil paper, and then we will put it in a fireplace later on. So this time we are more prepared. We have a normal wood, not like last time there was only like a tiny branches. So now there is a proper wood. We bought like, I don't know, like 6 or 7 big logs for 50,000. There is a hope that it will burn. But really small hope at the moment. Some benzene.
Better than nothing.
I was planning to fly a drone, but it's too windy. I think we have to wait until the morning when we will have a sunrise, and then I hope. We are planning to go for a little walk in the morning, so we'll bring guys to some of my trails. Sunset tonight is nothing really, but still really good. A lot of clouds, and that's why it's so windy. Guys are not giving up. Still hoping for some fire. Tim said he's hungry, so he wants the meat. So that's why he's doing his best. I cannot understand what a butter is doing here.
That's him caressed.
To burn.
To burn.
To burn it. Okay, we got the fire. Yeah! So now it's important to not burn the village.
The down well.
Yeah, the wind is pretty strong, and if the sparks is going down there, we'll have another fireplace, just a little bit bigger. Sasha got somewhere jackfruit?
No,
No more?
no more.
Finish!
Unfortunately, yeah.
Ah, that's not eatable. Don't eat it.
Good.
Good! Grill is almost ready.
Yeah, cleaning up, cleaning up. And that's like heavy. Yeah, I think you shouldn't do it. Seriously, it's for all of us.
Масло, анчоусы, дижонская горчица, лимонный сок, чеснок. Я своим хозяевам. Чую я.
Ну вот видите, хотели костер? Да, мальчики сделали. Молодцы. Ребята.
Fireplace.